Hey everyone, Teresa here with Catch You on the Pip Side. I just want to show you a quick video today on MetaTrader 5 desktop, how to go back in time and look at your previous trades, or if maybe your accountability partner gives you a timestamp and wants you to go back and look at their trade so you can review it. This is how you do it. So when you have your MT5 chart open and everything is set up just the way that it looks on my screen right now, what you need to do first of all is you need to come up to the top of your chart, see where I'm circling, and you have these little candles with arrows right here. You need to unclick these, okay? They need to be unselected. Then you're gonna press enter. And when you press enter, look down at the bottom left-hand corner of your chart, and you see down here, there's a space that you can type into. So you can come down here and you can type in the time that you wanna go back to. So if I wanted to go back, for example, to August 9th, I would type in 2023.08.09, and it has to be exactly in this format. And then I would type in what time I want to go back to, which has to be in your server's time, right? So like right now, I'm on FTMO. So if I want to go back to a trade that I took on FTMO, I need to enter the server time, not Eastern time, not my own personal time zone, which is right now Mountain Standard Time, but my server time that I took the trade at. And then I'm going to type that in. So let's say my trade was at 16:47, and then I press enter. And now it takes me back to that time, and it takes you back to that time on the furthest left-hand side of your chart. So sometimes the candles aren't going to be in the best view, and you might need to drag the candles down so that you can get back to where that trade was, okay? Another tip that's helpful for finding the trade is to take one of your vertical lines from up here, okay? One of your vertical lines from your tools, drop it anywhere. And then once you've dropped this line, you can click on it and you can drag it from side to side. But the nicest thing is that it lights up the date and the time down at the bottom. So if you're trying to get your mouse to go to a specific time, you can just drag it back until you're at that time at 16:47. Okay, so here's the time that I typed in and pressed enter. I wanted it to take me back to August 9th at 16:47. And here I am at August 9th, 16:47. So let's just say we want to do this one more time, and I'm going to press enter. And now it puts in the time that I used the last time and the last date. But let's say I want to go look at a trade from today. So let's say I go August 11th, so 2023 period 08 period 11, and then there has to be a space, and then you type in the time and press enter. And again, it's going to bring that over to the furthest left-hand side of your chart. But sometimes you have to scroll up or down to find those exact candles, or you can go get that vertical line again, drop it on your chart, and then drag it back to that time where you wanted it to be at. Okay, so here I am at 2023 08/11 at 16:47. It brought me back to there. Okay, so hopefully this helps you guys. This is just a very quick tutorial on how to go back and find a previous trade from somebody, and then just make sure that you know you have to do it in server time for that person's trade. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll catch you on the flip side.